Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is February the 25th and we're heading into Walmart. Remember guys to always make sure that you like, share, and subscribe these videos, and also there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. We actually reached 3,000 subscribers this past week. So I have a little giveaway for you guys. I'm excited about it. So please follow along to the next video to see what to do. Hello praisers and savers. Thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. In order to thank you guys, I have made some really cute stickers. So these stickers are vinyl and they're waterproof. They have a holographic lining over top of them, and I made them myself. So with these stickers, what you're going to do is you're just going to comment below. You can comment anything. You can comment coupon. You can comment 3,000 subscribers. I don't care. But you'll comment below, and then I'll select someone to get this sticker pack. So I've got 2 of these, obsessed with couponing. I love this one, Make Heaven Crowded. That's so cute. 2 of those. I've got, this one is cute. I just thought it was cute. I made it. This is a roller skating one. And then this one is Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You. So super cute. Oh, and this one is Keep Calm and Coupon. So, all right. So just comment below and I will select someone to win this sticker pack. Alright, so we're in the travel section, one of my favorite sections in Walmart, and I'm going to be getting some travel items to put into some blessing bags. So this Dove women's deodorant is $2.47 each. We do have on Shopkick 700 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.80 on those. So it's going to make this a 33-cent moneymaker on the Dove women's deodorant. So pretty good deal on this, making this our first moneymaker of our shopping trip. So $2.47, getting back $2.80 on Shopkicks, makes it a 33-cent moneymaker. So we have the same deal on Shopkicks for the Dove men's dry shampoo. This is dry shampoo, dry spray deodorant. I mean, not dry shampoo. Deodorant is $2.47. We have 700 kicks on Shopkicks, which is equivalent to $2.80. This is going to make it a 33-cent moneymaker on the Dove dry spray deodorant. The next item we're getting is also a travel size item. This is going to be on the Old Spice travel size body wash. These are $1.97 each. We do have a Shopkick deal on these, and it is 350 kicks, and that is equivalent to $1.40. So make each of these travel size just 57 cents each. We have another travel size item. This is going to be on the Irish Spring body wash. These are 3.4 fluid ounces. It is $1.47. We have 350 kicks on Shopkicks, which is equivalent to $1.40. So $1.47, taking off that $1.40 makes these 7 cents each. We have a huge moneymaker on the Airwick Essential Mist. These are $9.98. Usually I was getting the ones that are $11.98 here. I don't like this smell that much, the linen one, just FYI, if you're picking these up. I do like the lavender one. So just be a little weary of that linen one. It's a little bit too perfumey for us, but this works great. It's $9.98. All right, so we have 2 things that we're gonna do. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna submit to Coupon's app for $6 back. You'll get that $6 back, and then you'll submit to the IBOTTA app, and you'll get $6 back on that. So that's going to be a moneymaker of $2.02. So huge moneymaker on the Airwick Essential Mist. If you don't want to get this one, you'll get these, and it'll just be a 2-cent moneymaker on those. But for this one, it's going to be a $2.02 moneymaker. Anytime I can get a good deal on the Persil products, I always do, because these things smell so good. And these are $5.97. This is the 15 disc pack. And that's just not a lot of disc in there. It's small. It's not worth it. But we do have a $2 coupon on the coupons app, and then you can submit that. And then we also have a $2 IBOTTA rebate. So that's $4 in cash back you will receive between coupons app and IBOTTA, which will make these just $1.97 each. The next thing I'm getting is this red gold tomato paste. There's all kinds of red gold IBOTTA rebates out right now, but I'm getting these because we need these, and these are 88 cents each. This is a small can. We're picking up 2 of them. Our total will be $1.76. There's a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. So your total is going to come down to $1.26. And then each one will be 63 cents per can. So next thing I'm getting are these old El Paso taco seasonings. We go through this in my house. We have tacos every week, and we usually use about 3 packs because we have to get about 3 packs of hamburger meat. And these are 88 cents each. There is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate on this, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 5 packs, but after the 25-cent IBOTTA rebate, it's going to be 63 cents per pack. All right, another deal on the old El Paso. Like I said, we eat tacos every week with our kids, and this is a good time to stock up on these. So this is on the shells. We just eat these regular old shells. We don't get anything special, but you may want something a little bit more expensive, like the ones that are $2.88 or whatever. So these are $2.24 each. There's a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate on these, bringing the price down to $1.74 each. And this can be done up to 5 times, so you can pick up each box for $1.74. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 5 boxes because it's just a great stock up price on these, and we rarely get coupons on these. So this Oscar Mayer bacon is on rollback. It is usually $8.64, but it's $6.48. I'm going to check the date on this. It says the date is used by April the 23rd, which is a great date on this bacon. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate on it, and you can do this deal up to 3 times. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 packs of bacon and get the $2 back on each of these. So it'll make each pack of bacon just $4.48. Alright, so this Via Life 100% vegan original cream cheese is $4.48. It's made from dairy, free, soy, gluten, like all that stuff's free, but it's made with coconut oil and vitamin B12. I'm just going to check the ingredients really quick on this. So have it. Okay, so it says filtered water, coconut oil, potato starch, salt, some flavor, olive oil. Interesting. Well, these are $4.48 usually, and they are $4.48, and we have a IBOTTA rebate for $4.48. So I might just pick this up to see how it tastes. So I finally found the Gatorade Fast Twitch. I've been looking in the back, didn't think about looking up here, but here it is. So there's not a price tag on it. I'm assuming these are $2.18. These are the 12 fluid ounces. They've got, let's see, tropical mango. They've got a cool blue and a strawberry watermelon. I'm going to get the strawberry watermelon. So we have an IBOTTA rebate, makes these totally free. They're $2.18 hopefully, and the IBOTTA rebate is for $2.18. So nice little freebie to add to my IBOTTA haul. As you can see, all of my IBOTTA offers have been verified, so I will be collecting $25 for those 19 offers. Of course, I have to wait a couple days for the Shopkicks to come through, but I don't see any problems with those. Guys, please make sure that you are commenting the deal of the day that you enjoyed seeing today. And we'll be back on Sunday with the CVS haul video, so make sure you are looking for that. All right, praisers and savers, I'll see you next time. Thanks.